Hey everybody, I'm gonna just go over the exercises. Today is the day 14 through 17 update, so it's been 2 weeks and 3 days after my surgery. I just took off the bandage from my leg, so this is how it looks. Uh, I think pretty good. The scar looks good. I am happy how it turned out. Uh, So I'll just do each exercise just a little bit, just to show you what I do and maybe pay a little more attention to the ones that are new. So as usual, I'll do all body. Normally I do like 20, so just now I did half. But one thing, I don't know if it was visible, but I'm trying to now keep weight on both of my legs. Before, let me do it one more time. Before I was keeping my leg, the operated leg kind of away, but now I kind of support on the operated leg as well. So that's just to warm me up, and then I do the usual, flies, a few on leg back. Then I switch now. So now I'm standing on the operated leg, very careful. Maybe 70% of my body weight is on the operated leg, so that's good. And do a few more. And I can do the tricep extensions, rotate my arms a little bit to get different parts of the triceps working. And my favorite is rows. Now I'm standing on the healthy leg. And then I can switch. Now I'm standing on the operated leg. Not 100%, but still using it, definitely. Okay, so those are the ones. Then I usually do my curls and push-ups just to get the biceps and shoulders. And I also do the straight arm raises like this, sideways, front, sideways, front, sideways, front. I usually do them actually standing, but I won't fit in the video, so I'm sitting down. Okay, but let's get to the important stuff, which is the leg exercises. So I'm pretty warmed up, and okay. So the exercises that I'm gonna do today, I just do a few repetitions, not the full set, because the full sets kind of take a long time. And so actually this one we should be fine. So again, these are all supposed to be done lying down. Okay, so I'm doing the heel slides, and it's kind of essentially slowly going up and down, and slowly up, maybe even holding here for a little bit and going down. So this is not the focus. The band is not the focus yet. This week, uh, the physical therapist and I, we are concentrating on extensions, which I'll get to it later. So, okay, so these are the video slides. And now we're getting to the important stuff. The leg extensions, or these are the quad isometrics, but essentially it's combined with the leg extensions. So again, lying down, sitting up, put a few towels, and I engage these muscles and relax. And engage and count, say, to 10, and push down on the towels at the same time and relax. Again, engage, push down, and relax. And I'm supposed to do, I think the hill slides I'm supposed to do 30, and these quad isometrics I'm supposed to do 25. So it's kind of slow. Okay, so now let's move to the extensions. And notice I don't use the belt as much. So I'm supposed to start with the leg, with the resisted leg, standing resisted leg extensions. So I have my, from before, I have the exercise band here wrapped around my walker, so I can just bring it down, bring my operated leg in, and move it away now. And that pulls your leg kind of on, if I just let it rest, it will go all the way here. So right now it's already resisting, and I'm standing on my toes, and I'm just push down and hold and relax and relax. So straightening against the resistance, tightening all these muscles, engaging them, activating. I'm actually not sure how many I'm supposed to do, probably like 10 or 15. But again, it's more slowly really working those muscles. And this is a little bit painful, not too bad, but I would say maybe the pain is 3 or 4. Okay, now the tough part comes. Put this away. Okay, so before those were the standing leg extensions. Those are not so bad. But now let's do the sitting leg extensions, and these are actually, again, I'm supposed to lay back, and so let's see. So I'm resting my leg on this foam roller, and all I'm supposed to do is lift my foot. But as you know, I couldn't do it before. So right now I have an exercise band, and that way I know exactly how much help I'm getting. And okay, so here there is no force, so I just lift it tiny bit and work my leg. It doesn't go any further, but mostly I'm doing this myself. And if I lay down, I can still do all this. Just wow. And these ones are really really hard for me and painful. So I would say the pain is somewhere between 7, 8 on a scale of 0 to 10. So I am in pain and I'm working hard and I'm supposed to do 10 of these. I did, I think, 4, but so I'm supposed to do 10 of these and 3 sets. And I think I'm supposed to do this workout 3 times a day, which is crazy, but at least I'm trying to do 3 times a day, but maybe not as many sets. So there, you can see I can barely, barely helping, but okay. Stretching my leg, working my knee, and slowly release. And without this, I probably would be able to do like 1 with the band, just tiny bit extra help. You know, I can do the full 10 as I'm supposed to. And you know, yesterday I had my wife helping me with the leg, so you can, you know, you can try anything. Band, you know, belt. Belt was kind of tricky because I was helping too much. Okay, so the next one is leg raises. Again, tighten your quad muscles, make your leg as straight as possible, and then lift it up. And I'm gonna get tiny bit, you see, I'm helping just tiny bit, but that's all I need. So I go slowly up and very slowly down. Okay, and then wow. And one more. And you can see, like, if I try really hard, I don't need the belt. I don't need the help. Wow. Whoa. And as you can guess, these ones hurt a lot also. It's just this whole knee area is really painful. The leg extensions hurt a little more, so I would say, okay, leg extensions 8 and these leg raises, maybe they hurt like 7. It's pretty bad, but you know, yesterday I was not able to do any of this. So this is a huge improvement for me. And I think going to PT really helped. So I did this, pretty much everything. The last thing at the end of the workout, just lay down and do your ankle pumps, you know, 40 of them, just to relax. It's actually not very relaxing because I'm pushing at the same time I'm trying to make my leg straight. So I feel like it's overextended, even though it's not, but you know, the muscles here at the back are really pulling or are painful, but that I don't mind as much. The knee hurting is the tough pain. So that's pretty much it. That's all for today. You can see I get around somehow without the crutches, without anything. I can do a small squat on one leg, and yeah, things are definitely getting better. Not a smiley face yet, but almost there. All right, talk to you next time.